Alright, so here is Queen Raw with Yard from Abroad here at Bourbon Beach again. It's Friday, and this is my first interview. It just so happened that this Rastaman was on my radio show this morning. What's your name again?
Yeah, man, it's King Jah Heal, you know, to the world. Let's see it.
Busy. He was up in Yard and Hado on the radio show, coming from the bush. Then I come to the beach, and you're walking down the beach with your other work. So let the people know what's going on with you. Show them.
Yeah, man, let's see. I art and craft, you know. See it there? It's all about the art and it's all about the craft. International earring from coconut shell and seed. Yeah, this is all about the art and the craft here. You see it? Yeah.
Yes.
International carving. King Jah Heal work internationally from lignum vitae, ironwood.
Nice.
See that? Yeah.
So this is how you hold your meditation. You do your
Yeah, man,
carving,
yeah,
huh?
This is our whole meditation, you know. Yeah, man. And build the vibes, you know.
Yes.
Get to rock the nation, you know. We have the international ring from the ironwood said way. King
Now-
Jah Heal work.
Now, other than this work, don't you sing?
Yeah, man, I do the chant and plant said way, you know.
Well, chant me down, man.
Yeah, man, the chant
Or chant me up.
something like this. Here you go now.
And dub me too.
Yeah, man, I'm Mr. Holy Emmanuel, I King Selassie.
Jah Rastafari.
Some more life, you know, more strength, more wise, my knowledge and understanding, you know. Yeah, man, I give thanks to the post of the Most High Emperor Selassie, the first Empress, men and Mama Mega Mother Earth. Fire! Let me start in a room. Yeah, man, it go like this. Yeah, yeah, oh, 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 yeah, yeah, oh, 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 oh. Come on, make me give you my loving, oh lady. Know that my loving will drive you crazy. Then bring forth my baby. Forever we'll stay. Yeah. One touch down in your loving mayday. One land upon your runway daily. I say rewind and we replay. You never feel dismay since you come this way. Give the I loving really and truly. I want give you something new, like. Love your Empress and make
like
you
that.
shout to you. All day, I say, come on, make me give you my loving, oh lady. Know that my loving will drive you crazy. Then bring forth my baby. Forever will stay, yeah. In a arm, you will stay forever. Empress, I charm, keep I warm, feel the eye with pleasure. Surely something to treasure. Whatever the weather, fly I yet together. Purchase kind, that's mine, get the cheddar. I in line, I. Come on, let me give you I love into your head. Every dime, every kind from this weather. Come on, let me give you my loving, oh lady. Know that my loving will drive you crazy. Then bring forth my baby. Forever will you are gone. Alright, I love you Monday, Tuesday, Jah Heal love you Wednesday, Thursday, Jah Heal love you Friday, Saturday. I love you Wonder Sunday. King Jah Heal give the I love make your island. Right. Yo, the energy.
So, have you been in
Emmanuel, I Selassie,
Jah
Rastafari. I
Rastafari.
believe in our favorite show.
Lava. Thank you so much. Great interview.